Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your girl Lorenzi's Creative, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make the Spanish coils or the French coils wig using a 5x5 closure. So if you're interested in this video, kindly watch to the end so that you see how we achieve this video. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So she will start by placing the dome cap on the mannequin head, as the canvas head we are using for this tutorial. Actually, one of my staffs made this hair, so I just had to video the process because I wasn't able, or I was too busy to make the hair myself, so I just had to video her while making the hair. So guys, after placing the cap on the mannequin head, it's time to fix the closures for the braids. As you can see, she's pinning it down on the dome cap placed on the mannequin head. Then the next thing she'll be doing is to sew it down, then cut and proceed in braiding the hair.
Subscribe!
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. And no more sorrow, but we need to. No more sorrow, but we need to.
So after cutting the excess cap under the lace, she proceeded in bringing out the baby hairs and of course partitioning the hair. Right after bringing out the baby hairs, since this closure is not a parted closure, it doesn't have parts, you have to bring out the middle using a tape and then partition the hair. So this is actually the hair we are using for this tutorial. Okay, that's the spiral coils wig. This is actually the coils we are using for this hair. That's the extension we are using for this hair. All right, so why making this hair, I like using water. I do not use any other thing apart from water. Reason because it is a wig and I did not want any residual on this wig. All right, so when the client gets her hair, she's free to apply anything she wants, but since it's leaving the store, we make it only with water. Okay, so but I am not against those that use hair cream or conditioners. That's also okay. This is a personal decision. All right, the water helps it in, it doesn't tangle and all the rest of that. Okay, it comes sleek and very perfect. So this is how making the back of the hair first before proceeding to the front. So all you have to do is mark the places you want to braid the hair, then you start braiding like that. That's all. Crochet the extension, that's the attachment you want to use in making the hair, then you braid all through the hair. All right, you braid it all through till the end. Yeah, I do braid to the end because I know I do not tie, so that before it will lose up to that extent, it will stop at the coils.
The only one I want by my side when I'm falling. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. And no song. We need each other. No song, but we need each other. So I'm waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I'm falling. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. And no song, but we need each other. No song, but we need each other.
Okay, because I wanted to make this video as short as possible, I didn't want it to be a very long video, so that's why I had to cut most parts of it. She's done making the back of the hair. All right, so it's now the closure she's making right now, and it's a knotless braid. Just the way she's making it, you feed in the hair till the extent you want it. That's the size you want. All right, and if you notice the way she partitioned the hair earlier on, she did 2 at the back, then the rest in front. The 2 at the back will be braided like towards the back, if you understand what I mean. Then the ones in the front will be braided by the sides. It will be braided towards the sides. That will be it would fall towards the side. That's the logic behind the braids. The ones at the back will go to the back, then the ones in front both ways will go to the sides. That's just how it's braided. Okay.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I'm falling asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. And no song. We need each other. No song, but we need each other. So I'm waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I'm falling asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. And no song, but we need each other. No song, but we need each other. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I'm falling asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. And no song. We need each other. No song.
So as you can see, she's done braiding to one side of the hair. All right, that's you braid to the middle part of it, then you start braiding the other part to the sides too. Okay, you braid to this back, you braid to the sides, to each side, so that each of them will fall by the sides. Okay, that's just how I braid this particular wig. There are also different methods you want. You can braid all through the back, you can braid just the way you want, but make it look like this is just to make it look so natural, you know. That's all.
He was like this symbol, breakfast, lunch, and juice, and that dinner just like dessert too. And when we fresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come give me two. He want lipstick, lip gloss, and Easter. Where's all your boy? We ain't got nothing to lose. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it moves. Give me a bug, need the Gucci store. Push your limit, that you ain't good enough. All you niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I died without me. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Caught dipping with your friend, you ain't even have real life, you know that. Come me a bag with a brick, you know that. Jordan sold a face to fight your back. Oh, this sad for real. I'll make you feel fantasy we ever been. It's all I can give you. Where's all your boy? We ain't got nothing to lose. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it moves. Darling, boy, you're right to me. I can do the same. Ooh, I love your taste. Boy, you're right to me. I can do the same. Ooh, I love your taste.
Biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out runners. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night, another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going another slave. I had that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rap me, so I took a private plane. Get like a wild working on my aim. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the grind, like a brother's by the name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. this way. Going on shows, coming on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, going on shows, coming on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Hey, we gotta.
I ask myself if this shit real. I contemplate about how I feel. You make it way too hard to think that this could be.
So after making the closure, that's the part that there is hair, so we had to crochet hair just round the closure to lock the closure, like so that you won't see the end of the closure. All right, you braid the hair close to each other to close the hair around the closure mark or something, so that you will not see where the closure starts and where it ends, something like that. All right.
It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that impact that we grown now, baby. Can't let it slip away, drift away, can't go to waste, go to waste. Stay straight.
So guys, this is the outcome of the hair. This is what it looks like on the hair, and that's the coils, guys. I love the color of this hair. This is a 613 30 color of hair. This and a 28 inches. I used 5 packs of the hair bundles I showed you to achieve this style, and that's it, guys. That's all about the hair. After making the hair, all I did was trim and applied hair mirrors on the closure part only. All right, and that's it, ready for delivery.